What's up guys, it's Seth. So today I just got back from Nike Lab and they had one last pair of the Levi's Air Jordan 4s and it was in my girlfriend's size, so I figured why not grab her a pair? Her name is Jordan and she doesn't have any Jordans, so I figured we need to change that today. So I'm gonna surprise her with this pair by putting it on the table, and as soon as she gets here, she hopefully will see it. Huge shout out to Amaze for sponsoring this video and making this entire thing possible. Yo, I think she's outside. Hey, what's up?
Hey.
So I'm filming you because I might have got you something.
Thank you.
Of course.
Yes, Jordan.
Do you like them?
Yeah, I love them.
You're sick. I'm really jealous.
Are they my size?
Yeah, I think so.
Do you know my size?
Totally. Yeah, absolutely.
I saw that.
Really quick before we get any farther in the video, I want to give a huge thank you again to Amaze for sponsoring this video and making this whole thing possible. Amaze is running this pretty incredible giveaway where you can enter for a chance to win one of the most highly coveted, most expensive sneakers ever, the Carhartt Air Jordan 4s. Apparently it's one of the 10 pairs that was released to the public. I think the other pairs are all friends and family. As I'm sure all you fellow sneakerheads know, they were just named one of the 20 most sought after sneakers on the planet and are known to sell for around 20 grand. It's a lot more than I've ever paid for a pair of sneakers, or a car for that matter. Entering is super easy. All you have to do is go to the link in the description below and follow the instructions on Amaze's website. But here's the kicker, with just a $10 donation made on the platform, you can make a difference. By supporting programs that help at-risk and disadvantaged youth, and of course being entered to win the pair for yourself. So not only does your donation enter you for a chance to win a grail pair of sneakers, but you're helping out kids in need at the same time, which is pretty cool. Once again, if you want to enter for a chance to win, make sure to click the link in the top of the description. But as you guys just saw, I surprised my girlfriend Jordan with a pair of Jordans. These of course are the black Levi's Air Jordan 4s that just came out. I'm honestly really jealous about this pair and I really wish I could have found a pair in my size, but you know, that's how the cookie crumbles. So I figured because I couldn't actually get the shoes for myself and give you guys a full review, I'd give you sort of a short overview of the sneaker and maybe compare it a little bit to the original Levi's colorway. But as you can tell, the grade school sizing is a little bit different than the regular men's sizing. The tongue is a little bit smaller, the eyelets aren't covered in denim. In fact, you have less eyelets than you have in the regular men's version. Other than those little details, and obviously that the shoe is smaller than the regular men's sizing, it is a pretty similar sneaker. Now, if you're comparing it to the original Levi's Air Jordan 4, the biggest difference obviously is the color. This came in sort of a blue denim, and this comes in more of like a gray-black denim. Even though overall, I think this black denim is easier to rock, there are a couple details on the original pair which I like better. Those details are things like the sock liner. On the original pair, you've got a lighter shade of denim both in the sock liner and on different parts of the sneaker. On the new pair, they use the same shade of denim throughout the sneaker, both on the outside of the shoe and on the sock liner of the shoe. Not a bad thing. I think I just prefer the added contrast of the original. Not only that, but the stitching on the original comes in gold. On the new pair, it just comes in black to match the rest of the upper. Again, kind of preferred the added contrast, but it's not a big deal. One of the only other differences that I noticed is that the laces in the black pair are actually wax laces instead of your regular denim laces on the original pair. That could be true for just the GS sizing, but I kind of doubt it. Actually, let me know in the comment section down below if you have a pair, if they come with wax laces. And lastly, the final difference is on the bottom of the shoe. On the original pair, you've got gum, red, and white, and on the new pair, it's just gum and red. That's done just because the full gum outsole looks better on black, and I totally get that. But other than that, very similar shoe. I really wish I could find this black pair in my size for retail. I would grab it instantly, but it is what it is. But that pretty much wraps it up for the video today. Once again, if you guys are interested in winning that pair of Carhartt Air Jordan 4s, definitely make sure to click that link in the description below. Also, make sure to leave a comment in the comment section down below letting me know what you think of the black Levi's 4s and whether you're planning to grab a pair for yourself or if you already have. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you all in the next one.